Hey girlas, and welcome back to my channel. My name is Laurasia Andrea, or the original Red Fairy for my OGs watching today. Go ahead and give this video a thumbs up, subscribe, and comment a fairy emoji below so I know you're here. Also follow me on all my social media networks at Laurasia Andrea, and I promise fairies I am coming back to social media very soon. So you girlas may or may not remember my Wowafrican Curly Edges wig. This is my 4C Edges hairline from a few months ago, and we made this hairline with a tighter 4C curl. While all my 4C fairies were loving this texture and felt it mimics their hairline the most, it was just kind of about time I catered to my 3C 4A fairies. This is my natural hair texture. I made sure me and Wowafrican took our time perfecting this one. I wanted the hairline to mimic so close to my hairline texture as possible, and after installing this wig, I literally was in love. I have 3 wigs so far from my 6 wig collection. I will put a card for all my different videos installing these wigs down below, so make sure you check those out too. I have so many more textured edges wigs coming and dropping very soon, so definitely stay tuned and stick around later in the video to see how I styled this kinky straight hair. It is not like any other kinky straight out there, just wait and see. I straighten, layer, and curl this wig, and when I say body just know it's real. So without further ado, let's get started. Before I get into my natural hair prep and the products I like to use underneath my wigs, if you haven't yet, make sure you check out my PCOS hair growth video. Definitely after watching this one, I just started growing my hair back about 2 months ago, and my growth journey is going very decent. To prep my hair, I like to use this Urban Hydration leave-in conditioner. It's nice and light and doesn't weigh down my hair or make a white cast with the other products that I'm using, and it does a good job with moisturizing my scalp. The gel I've been going to most recently is from Pattern Beauty, and it's their Stronghold gel. I apply that to my hairline with a baby hair brush and part my hair down the middle and slick it down for it to be a lot flatter underneath my wigs. This gel isn't like a Stronghold where my hair doesn't move and is hard. It's more like moisturizing but still keeps my hair pretty slick. And then I like to go in with this edge control from High Key and place that at my edges to lay down my baby hair. I've literally had to learn over the past months the products that work the best for my hair type and doesn't make my scalp dry but also has a really good hold. And these that I'm using in today's video work perfectly, especially for my wig installs. So here's the official packaging for my collection. I know I never show you guys what this looks like, but here is my new 3C 4A Edges wig. It comes with an elastic band, 13x6 parting all over the lace, not just the middle part. The length I'm using in today's video is an 18-inch, but I will be cutting the hair later on and creating layers as well. And we also give you guys single knots to make it look a lot more realistic in the parting area, no matter where you part. At this moment, my new lens came in, and best believe I was hyped filming this install with 5K quality. So can we talk about up close and personal? Okay, this is the hairline straight out the box, and off camera I did put my scalp tape inside the wig since I'm not using a ball cap today. The single knots we did on the lace makes this wig look like scalp, okay, with the scalp tape underneath. I pushed the tape down into the hairline first, and then I used some foundation powder to make it match my scalp color even more. But in my next video, I'm doing a new method where you won't have to use powder on the scalp tape. Y'all put on that notification bell and get that video. Now for this wig and all my other wigs, we're actually going back to the real 13x6 wigs where it's real 6-inch parting all along the lace. I know wigs have been varying lately with 2-inch partings on the sides, but not this wig, girla. This 3C 4A hairline is different from the 4C hairline because the curl pattern is a lot looser, it's a lot thinner, and we also made the baby hairs a little bit longer. My baby hair is curly just like you guys see on this wig. They aren't super short, so I just wanted to mimic that same thing with this hairline for the 3C4A hairline. I'm putting a little foundation powder at the beginning of the lace, then cutting a few centimeters behind the hairline to make it look super believable when I melt the lace with lace spray. This part is optional. I'm just using tweezers to perfect the hairline a little bit more. I think I've just been working on these types of hairlines for a while now, and I've gotten a good idea of just how dense I like it, the plucking that I like to do, and I'm just gonna do this all around the hairline until it's just to my liking.
Si tú no quieres beber, tengo fila hasta 3. No te necesito más. Te crees mucho, lo sé. Obvio que te digo sé, pero hay más en Instagram. Si tú no quieres beber, tengo fila hasta 3. No te necesito más. Te crees mucho, lo sé. Obvio que te digo sé, pero hay más en Instagram. Te crees más de lo que eres, pero en el mundo lo que a mujeres más me la creía hasta ese día que me engañaste. ¿Qué más? Reciclaba amores y estabas tú. Te necesitaba, ya no fueron tantas flores, pero tu actitud.
Now my favorite part, the install. I'm prepping my hairline with 𝐤𝐸𝐼 Hold Me Down Skin Guard to make my lace spray a lot more sticky. Then using my 𝐸𝐵𝐼 Sensitive Lace Spray. I have a dedicated video for this lace spray. It's been my go-to ever since my face started breaking out back in August. My skin is finally getting better. I can add that this spray is gentle and doesn't make my acne worse like all other sprays I was using previously. Now I only use this lace spray for the inside of the wig to avoid the baby hair caking up with the product. So I'm just going to spray down both sides and make sure they're both down before I move on.
You ain't like me then, but how you like me now? Real one, if I hold you down, I'ma keep it there till we in the ground. Jet black when I paint the town, only blue sheets when they pay me now. Treat a setback like a step back. Wave, I got the game in a vice grip. Way up when the virus clear. All the homies on the flight list. Verbally gifted, take the plot and I twist it. Got a big lit. Sex with the incense, got my mind rents, won't stop, I'm relentless. I'ma need safety, till the op can't snake me. Ray gun off safety.
Once the entire hairline is down, I customize the hairline more because I'm just a perfectionist and pluck or trim with many scissors until the hairline is to my liking and looks just like my natural hair. I think this is the best thing about these Edges wigs because you can customize each wig to any person's hairline or customize a new hairline every time with thicker edges or thinner, whatever you like.
I heard that you claim that you know me, but you ain't the homie, the f is your friendship. I need the loyalty, back up the royalty.
To press that hairline down closest to the edge of the lace, I like this Go Glueless Lace in Place Mist. I don't spray the lace spray directly onto the hairline. I spray it on my finger and use my comb to push it down onto the hairline, and it melts in my skin so good. The Clean Lace HD is super strong and won't rip as easily like any other HD laces, and it protects the hairline with the baby hair to last a lot longer on a wig.
Going crazy, wave, yeah, crazy, yeah, look, going crazy, wave, hey, look, going, yeah, I'm going crazy, wave, yeah, crazy, yeah, look, going crazy, wave.
I know I said earlier this Kinky Straight 4A hair isn't like any other Kinky Straight hair, and I will definitely show you why. This is only the 150 density and it's super full and thick, but the texture is silky and has a ton of body after it's flat ironed. My flat iron is on 430 degrees and my hot comb is on 410 degrees. These temperatures definitely do matter and are really important to not burn the lace or the baby hair on the wig. Now I think I've said this about a million times at this point, but this hairline looks so realistic and it looks exactly like my natural hairline and my natural hair texture, but a lot more full in the density. Basically like how I wish my hair could be. That's why I love wigs, because I can create what I don't have easily. Many will argue their opinion, but I love my natural hair and I also love the option to switch it up or enhance, I would say. And I don't think anything is wrong with that. Wigs are just like makeup. You should love your natural beauty first and use makeup to enhance if you choose. And I just personally think the same thing should go for wig wearers. I'm just saying. So I love the fact that I can have a wig that does look like my hair, but like the way I wish my hair could have really been for real.
In top and winning, still no, I don't need no plan B. Only give a about my freedom and my family. Keep it playing, keep it pushing, keep them guessing, keep them looking, keep my people out the booking, cause we legendary. I just talking how I live it. If I said it, then I meant it. If I did it, then I did it, cause it's necessary. Keep it G and keep it true to you. Just act like this ain't new to you. I treat it like it's usual, we legendary. I just get it how I live it. If I said it, then I meant it. If I did it, then I did it, cause it's necessary. Look, all my fresh up out the mud like a mineral. Riding with them soldiers, they salute me like a general. Hit the coast of Florida, feeling sorta like a Seminole. No exaggeration, all my literature be literal. Little do they know I do it bigger than they thought it though.
But off camera, I cut the hair to a long bob. It's fall season and my favorite thing in fall is jet black lobs. I also think me cutting it made the hair appear even more full, especially when I layered it. Like my other edges videos, I love to use the 𝐂𝐤 holding spray. I love that the formula is not too sticky and holds the baby hair in place, but also melts the lace further. I just use the spray to shape the baby hair a little bit more, and then section by section I use my heated barrel brush to create body curls. I like to use this instead of a curling iron. It creates like a Doobie 2008 effect with the hair, kind of looking like a fresh wash and curl after about like 2 days. This also has been my easy trick to creating layers, because after I loosely curl the hair, it just makes it a lot easier to see the layers when they naturally fall. I know in my last curling video, you girls wanted to see a close-up of me cutting layers in the wig, so I just focus the cutting in front of the top part of the wig instead of the bottom, because the layers fall downward and you want the most density in the lower levels of the wig. So just make sure that when you're cutting the layers, you're just lightly opening the scissors, open and close, and just letting the hand free fall on the hair, and then that just creates natural layers in your hair.
Mistakes. You won't end, but it's too late. I don't need your support just to know I'm important. I will never sell myself short, cause I know you see me on the come up. Big girl with big dreams and big drip. Talk is cheap, but please dare me to run up. I'ma put my money where my mouth is. Talk a good game, I'm my alphabet. Feel like an alien. I be in my own space of mine, making boss moves in my own time, and I ride my own ride. Find me all alone, I'm on the road.
After I'm satisfied with the layers, I'm using that heated brush again to curl under, checking if I need to cut more hair and also making more body in the wig.
You see me on the come up, big girl with big dreams and big drip. Talk is cheap, but please dare me to run up. I'ma put my money where my mouth is. Talk a good game, I'm my alphabet. Even on my worst days, still an alphabet. Standing next to me, you gotta be an alphabet. 8 ball in your pocket, I'm your alphabet. Yeah, alphabet.
I'm just finishing off my makeup per usual. Fairy December and the holidays are right around the corner, and holiday slay looks with makeup and hair are definitely in the works. I know my uploading recently has been a little shaky, but I'm making a lot of changes as far as my team, just my branding in general for my upcoming new year, and I was just figuring out what type of content creator I truly wanted to become. And I have definitely finally planned my life, planned my brand, planned my content the way I've been wanting. So I'm excited to show you all the improvements and the changes in the videos to come. But that concludes today's video, fairies. I hope you like the new 3C4A hairline in wig. What I'm doing is just creating my own style of my collection of what I want wigs to be and look like for Black women. Nonetheless, I hope to see you guys in my next one, and bye guys.
Been getting mines in, I've been on to you, nothing left to lose, get into the bag and I've been on to you, I'm seeing how you move, imagine all the things we get into, I need you to put me all the way.